Alright, we're going to start looking at the slope-intercept form. I'm going to write it here. Y equals mx plus b. We're going to be talking about how b and m, your slope, are very important. One of the things you're going to graph the most. So we're going to take this story and graph a real-life situation. Andrew, hey, that's my son's name, wants to buy a smartphone that costs $500. His parents will pay for the phone, and Andrew will pay them $50 a month until the entire amount is repaid. Alright? The loan represents a linear situation in which the amount Y Andrew owes his parent is dependent on the amount X, alright? The amount of time in months. So, before he's paid anything, when time is 0, Andrew owes $500 to his parents. Therefore, the y-intercept of the equation that represents the situation is, in fact, 500. Right? The rate of change, the amount Andrew owes over time is, well, is 50 per month, but he's paying it off. So we're going to say negative 50 per month. And the slope is negative 50. Alright? So we're going to use the y-intercept to plot a point on the graph. The y-intercept is 500. So plot the point. Remember, the y-intercept is when x equals 0. So we're going to plot the point 0, 500. I'm going to do it over here right now. Here it is. And the change is going to be negative 50 over 1, so negative 50. Right? Start at the point you plot, and we're going to count 50 down. Right? We got a scale that makes that kind of easy. And 1 right. And here we go. 50 down, 1 right. 50 down, 1 right. 50 down, 1 right. 50 down, 1 right, 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 50 down, 1 right. It wants us to draw a line. We happen to know these are discrete points, but we are representing a linear equation. We're going to get used to that by drawing a line, even though it's a bunch of discrete points. All right, first page done. Look on the second page. Keep going. All right. How can you use the same method to find 2 or more points on the same line? Well, you know what? There's a lot of ways to do that. But what if, right? All we did was follow the slope, right? Or, you know what we could do? We could write an explicit function. Okay. How many points? How many months did it take to pay off Andrew? Well, let's find out. All right. I'm actually going to write this. The function of the number of months, the function of time, is going to equal to 500 minus $50 a month. If I want to find out when 0 took place, right, 500 minus $50 a month, subtract 500, so that would give us negative 500 equals negative 50x, and if we divide by negative 50, we get 10 months. That's how many months it would take. Alright, so that's the end of the first bit. We're going to keep going with creating linear functions after this.